Hello again, we've got the KPM Tempest, but this time Mk.V. I think it was Mk.II last time, wasn't it? Anyway, cut to the chase. Same box style. Got three different options there, including 1944 D-Day invasion stripes and two other ones from 1945. I think, yeah. Right, let's open the side opening box. 172 scale. All in one plastic bag. It's a resealable plastic bag too, but that's good. I've opened this once already. A lot of extraneous noise there. Single decal, basic decal, but it's all there. There's a slight marking on the main roundel, but we can pretend that's weathering, can't we? There's the decal. No stencils on the decal. Instructions. Put that to one side now. You've got the just knocked the thing off the desk. Got a nice crew map. Parts. There's these side parts for the seat. Not sure what they are, but it's enough controls and detail inside, and this side panel detail as well. And with this manufacturer, you've got some red shiny ink showing where to do the gluing, which is useful. If I noticed right, they don't have pins to locator pins on them in this tooling. I'll come back to this later on, but there's a various engine builds, an APS Sabre version, and you just glue it on there. But I'll go straight to the point. It says you got a little hole there, but then when he goes to put it on, there's no hole there. So just like if you just glue it on straight, in which case it's not rotating, is it? So what I'm going to have to do is this stage, I have to put a back piece of my own behind there, because this actual part does have a hole to put the propeller through, and then I can attach this section on there, maybe at a different stage of the build, seeing how it fits. Very standard instructions otherwise. Got the glue marks. There's options for the wheels, and where there's options they always show them out, point them out. Little stirrup step, and here you've got the open or closed cockpit option. They've got to say the glue's there, but you don't really want to worry about that, because you can put the glue on the part itself with a clear PVA and just put it on where you need to put it. I'm not sure what this is for either, because there's no actual detail to add to it there, but perhaps there is in another version. Canopy nicely wrapped to protect it. 2-part plus light underneath, which would go there. One piece underside, recessed panel lines, and some let's see, some, oh come on, it's very slow for focusing. Anyway, it's a bit riveting where this needs to be. Now this is the part I was going to talk to you about. It's already got the cutout there for the propeller to go through. See this part there? I can go through there. So I can put a bit of plastic on the back of there to try and have a rotating propeller. Here's the insides. There's a bit of wheel well detail there, which is good. And as you can see, very good detail. There's no rockets on this version, or not supplied anyway. And there's oil coolers and control panels and all the parts you'd expect. And surprisingly, or not, this isn't the same sprue as the earlier Tempest I've shown you. the Mark II, even though the Mark II sprue has the Napier Sabre engine cowlings as an option. So surprisingly, but there must be other differences too, which makes a different sprue necessary. You've got parts here for lights, but yeah, another good quality, cheap and good quality kit from KPM, which I'm be happily building when the time comes. Alright, that's it, bye for now, ta-da.